Can merged page be monetized?
Join Growbita family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Grow Better. In this channel, I teach people how to build, grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azimina and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that I didn't have a post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment. You'll be among the first people to see the video, right? So today I'm going to be taking this question. According to this person, he or she wrote, can merged page be monetized? Right? So firstly, I'm going to be explaining what is merged page, right? So because a lot of people might not know about what is merged page. There's this feature that Facebook introduced which can enable you to merge two pages together, right? So for instance, like maybe you have a page that has like 1,000 followers and that page is not doing well, and you have another page that has 5,000 followers. Maybe you abandoned the page before and later you found the page and you feel like, yeah, I want to merge these two pages together. Yeah, Facebook can allow you to merge the two pages together and they will turn one page, right? So but one thing, like when I used that last, like what they were saying is that the page must have the same category, right? And the name must be like look alike, right? And when I merged my own, I used to have like 4 Maximilian pages, right? Maximilian is my name, so I used to have 4 Maximilian pages. One was about 10,000 followers as of then, and one was about 200 followers, 300 followers, and the other one, I think 4,000 followers, right? So what I did is that I merged three, then left one because I wanted to use one for my music, right? Then I wanted to use the other one for content. And all of them, they are Maximilian. But the only difference is that some are Maximilian official, the other one is Maximilian music, but Maximilian, right? But though when I merged them, right, before I merged them, I tried, in order not to have issues with Facebook, I tried changing the name to Maximilian, all of them to Maximilian, right? So before you merge them, make sure that the name is related or the name is the same, right? You can actually merge two pages. Like some people actually, like they can have a page of 1K and they just see a page of 100,000, right? And buy it and merge it together. You know that the audience will still be there for them, and the new audience are going to still be there. So the page will now turn one. So you are not losing your audience. You know, so a lot of people do that. And the question this person is actually asking is, can you monetize that kind of page, right? So the answer is yes. You can monetize merged page because I did. You know, I'm not saying something like I'm not sure of. I monetized my own page, my Maximilian. I monetized it and I merged three accounts. I merged three pages, right? So you can actually monetize a merged page, right? So before now, I tried to make a video for you guys on how to merge different pages, but I found out that the link was broken, right? The link that I used to do it then is now broken. So if there is any way that you guys actually do it now, please, you can tell me in the comment section. I would like to learn that one too, and also share with some people that would like to learn, right? Because I tried making the video for you people because some people requested it and I wanted to make the video, and the link was telling me link broken something something. So because of that, I didn't make that video. So the answer is yes, you can actually monetize it. So if you have any question you want to ask me or something you don't understand about Facebook monetization, all you need to do is to drop that in the comment section, right? And I'm going to be making a fresh video like this one you are just watching, and explain the question very well for you to understand it. So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to the end. You guys are amazing. And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Right? Hit the like button and drop a comment. And if this is your first time in this channel, I would urge you to subscribe and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you all for watching and see you in my next video.